Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix voice control not working on GoPro Mission 1. Let's try adjusting a few settings. So we should slide down from the top of your screen and make sure that voice control is enabled so it lights in blue. Then when you go to preferences, you should go to audio and voice control and scroll down, then find language and make sure it's set to the correct language. It even gives you accents, which is great. Then commands, and you can view which commands you can use. And before I get to that, there's voice control device, which you should set to the microphone that can actually pick up your voice. If you have an external microphone, it can be set to a different device that you may not want to pick up your voice for voice commands. So make sure it's set to the correct one. And now let's go to commands, and here are the commands that are possible. So when I now say, let's say, okay, let's do that. I can, for example, say GoPro photo mode. GoPro photo mode. Yeah, you can see it changes. Now, when I say GoPro take a photo, it will take a photo. Well, I'll close that. And now one more thing is, for example, when I'm in the video mode, I can also say GoPro take a photo, and it will switch to that mode and take the photo. So that is how it works. And if that didn't work, then you may want to restart your camera by pressing and holding on the power button, and then waiting at least half a minute once it's off, and then turning it on again, or updating the firmware on your device in order to fix some issues. Also, make sure that your microphone works. You can try plugging in an external microphone, like for example your headphones with a microphone built in, and then you will be able to see if that is the microphone's issue. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.